we'll move on to the work. Okay, so we got example 1. Okay, example 1 we have, so we want to find the inverse. Find the inverse, right? So number 1, got f of x equals x minus 2 cubed plus 7. Okay, f of x equals x minus 2 cubed plus 7. Okay, first thing you do, okay, so step 1, switch x and y. And you want to switch your x and your y. Remember, this is your y, so we're just switching it. Okay, we can rewrite it real quick. So you have y equals x minus 2 cubed plus 7. Okay, step 1 is to switch my x and my y. So I'm going to have x equals y minus 2 cubed plus 7. Okay. Now step 2, get y by itself. Okay, get y by itself. Alright, so the way we're going to do that, okay, we're going to move everything over here to the x. Alright, so we're going to move this 7 first, right, because it has nothing to do with the parentheses or exponents, so just move the 7. So you got to subtract by 7 on both sides. So you're over here, you got x minus 7 equals y minus 2 cubed, and then this cancels out. Okay. Now I want to get rid of the cubed part. So I got to take the cube root, take the cube root of one side, take the cube root over the other side. Okay. So I'm left with the cube root of x minus 7 equals y minus 2. Alright, because all I did was take the cube root, that cancels that out. So you're not left with just y minus 2. Last thing you gotta do is you gotta get rid of this 2. So plus 2 on one side, plus 2 on the other side. So you're left with the cube root of x minus 7 plus 2 goes on the outside equals y. That's the inverse. Okay, that is the inverse of that function. So you can circle it. That's the inverse of that function. Okay, and then you can finish it off. So I guess step 3, sorry, there's one more step. Step 3 would be switch y to f of negative 1 of x. So it will be f of negative 1 of x equals the cube root of x minus 7 plus 2. Okay. Anyone need more time to write that one down? You good, Mark? You need more time, Marcos?
Yes, sir.
Aline, you good? Aline. Psst. Aline. Oh my God. You good?
Yeah.
You San Marcos, FC, very good.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, example 2. Okay, we have f of x equals the cube root of 4x plus 9. Cube root of 4x plus 9. Step 1, switch x and y. Okay, so you'll have y equals cube root of 4x plus 9. Okay, switch the x and the y, so you'll have x equals the cube root of 4y plus 9. You just switch the x and the y's. Okay, step 2 is you want to get y by itself. Alright, so first thing you gotta do, you can't do anything because you have a cube root over, so you want to just multiply both sides, or cube both sides. So I cubed the right side, right, by putting it to the third power. I cubed the x by putting it to the third power. So I got x cubed equals 4y plus 9. Okay, now just moving it over. So I got to get rid of this 9 first. So I subtract by 9 on both sides. So I'm left with x cubed minus 9 equals 4y, because this cancels out. Okay, and this is 4 times y, so I got to divide by 4 on both sides. Divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, that cancels out. So this is your answer right here. So you're left with y equals x cubed minus 9 over 4. Okay. Step 3. Change y to f of negative 1 of x. Okay. So you just change it. So f of negative 1 of x equals x cubed minus 9 over 4. Okay, there's that one. Or if you see your answer choice is different, it's the same thing. Okay, so you have f of negative 1 of x equals, okay, this is the same thing, right? This will just split up to both terms. So you have 1 times 4x cubed minus 9 over 4. All right, you're just splitting it up both ways. Okay, either one of these could be right. Okay, example 3. We're trying to find if f of x and g of x are inverses of each other.